Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the September Ivy box. So if you're interested in seeing what is in store, please keep watching. Okay, this one is light. It's not as heavy as some of the previous months. As usual, it is packaged so nicely. I really appreciate the packaging. And this month's theme is still pretty. What is included in the box is an AKA color block vest and an AKA color block scarf. And so basically to honor the traditions of homecoming and to treasure those bonds from college years. And so this way, you know, when you go to your homecoming festivities, you'll be stylish in your color block vest and your color block scarf. To demonstrate and represent a strong tradition of service and excellence, and of course, being pretty. Okay, so that is the theme for the month, is still pretty. Okay, let's start with the scarf first. Okay, so we have, it's not printed on the actual scarf, it's just a tag, but nonetheless we have it here. Okay, so this is the length of the scarf. I would say it's probably in total like 24 inches. What would be cute is if I was like crafty to like add some fringe or something on it. It's a very thick scarf. If you see, you can't see through it. Yeah, that's gonna be great for when it gets cold and you need a scarf. It would have been very nice if this was embroidered on, but nonetheless, it's the tag. So that's still cool. So yeah, some of my handy sorors, I would love to see people put fringe on it and, you know, make it like scarfy. Scarfy, if that's a word. Okay, now for the vest. I got it in a medium. So I'm hoping that it fits. Let's see. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so we've got, it seems as though it's a water resistant material. We have the crest above the heart. It would have been nice to incorporate some green in here but I love that it's just pink and white. Durable pop buttons. And almost hurt my hair out the way. I think this is a nice fit to it because this is probably how I will wear it with a long sleeve. I'm a size medium and it fits perfectly, actually. Take her off. So yeah, the stitching on this is quality. A1 quality for sure. That's gorgeous. This is gonna be some good wear out of it because of the durability of it, for sure. So this is a good purchase. This is, once again, Ivy Storehouse is providing quality Ivy boxes, and I am so appreciative because I literally rely on just Ivy Storehouse for my AKA paraphernalia, for the most part. So this is perfect. So yes, thank you to Ivy Storehouse. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing the rest of my boxes through my subscription. So so far so good. Every box that I've had, and I'm almost at my year subscription with Ivy Storehouse, has been amazing. My anniversary is coming up in December, so I'm hoping that the December box, because last December's box was bomb, I'm hoping this December box is bomb too. And thank you guys for watching.